My name's Robert. I'm going to be testing the Mavic 3 Pro, the active tracking on it, and kind of see how that goes with the DJI microphones to see if we get any feedback from the drone itself. So we're going to go ahead and test that out right now. So right now I'm working on getting it all set up to me, so it tracks me. I'm gonna have it do a slow turn around us. So basically can show that it will follow me as I walk around or do a circle around me as I'm standing still. This is great for if you're just doing videos for your own personal channel, stuff like that. Kind of get good higher up video while you're getting low end video as well. So people can see the top end and you first person. While it finishes up, I'm gonna have it start to follow me. I'm gonna have it follow behind me. As I take a walk, it will start to follow me and trace with me. Basically, you can see it stays at a perfect steady height. Even if I change elevation, it will go up a little bit to continue to follow me. It will turn itself to follow behind me because that's what I have it set to. Even if I wanted it to stop it right now and say I want it on my right side, I want to have it start following me on the right. Click to the right and it will slowly move to the right side of me. It takes a few seconds for it to kick in, but it will continue to do that and follow to my right side. As you see right now, it's starting to move and go that way. Just stay with me and stay where I want it. That's part of the active tracking with it, and its orbit with me. So if I wanted to go back to orbiting, say I wanted to go, instead of going from the right side, I want it to go to the left, I could change the speeds, make it go faster, slower, slow it down, and just have it kind of stay with me. This is the Mavic 3 Pro. Really good drone, great quality, good pictures. Even if you just wanted to use photography and not have it track you, stuff like that, it's still a pretty good drone for what it is. My name's Robert. If you need any help with the Mavic 3 Pro, I'm happy to help, give you questions, answers, stuff like that. Anything you need involving this one, more than welcome to help you out.